Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 with me, and in this video I am going to unbox and share its first look with you. I also have Watch 5 on my wrist and I will compare the newly launched Galaxy Watch 6 with it. So without any further delay, let's start unboxing it. The box in which Watch 6 comes is simple and modern, similar to the Watch 5 box. This box is easy to open. After opening it, the first thing that comes out is a quick start guide in the smaller box. The other thing in the smaller box is a wireless magnetic charging cable, and it is C-typed on the other end, which is similar to the one that comes with Watch 5. When it comes to the charger, it can charge really fast with a 25-watt charger. I will also test and compare the Galaxy Watch 6 battery with the Watch 5 soon. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do it now. You will be able to watch all the cool videos about Watch 6 that will be released in the coming days. Now, let's forget about the charger and have a look at the watch. The design is super cool. The strap is soft and comfortable, making it ideal for everyday wear. This one is the graphite version with grey straps. There are 4 choices for this watch: gold, graphite, black and silver. This one is graphite, and it might look like it's made of graphite, but it's actually built from the same aluminium as Watch 5, so no changes in the watch case material. But guess what? Watch 6 has a bigger screen compared to Watch 5 because it has a smaller bezel around the screen. The display of Watch 6 is made up of sapphire crystal, just like the one on Watch 5, so there is no difference in the display except its screen size. You don't even need tempered glass because sapphire crystal is really tough and scratch proof. The size of Watch 6 is almost like Watch 5, but Watch 6 has a larger battery. I am really curious to find out how long the battery of Watch 6 will last. If you are curious too, then let me know in the comments. I will be posting an in-depth review video about Watch 6 soon, where I will also check its battery life. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. On the side of Watch 6, there are 2 buttons to control it, just like Watch 5. They are flat and look good. Just like Watch 5, this watch also runs on Google Wear OS. That's why its interface is similar to Watch 5, which is easy to use and navigate. The Galaxy Watch 6 comes with a cool feature NFC. You can make payments with it like you do in Watch 5. But in India, Watch 6 is the first watch that can be used for payments. This feature could be very useful if you forget your phone at home. I will be covering all about Galaxy Watch 6 in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. The watch looks impressive out of the box. Let's see how well it fits on the wrist. I have a medium-sized wrist and it fits well on it. There are enough adjustment holes given on the watch strap, so you can easily adjust the watch fitting according to your wrist size. However, I don't like the band that comes with the watch. It is not very comfortable. I wish it was more breathable. But the good thing is, we can easily change the watch band with just a press of a button. You just need to press the button given on the back side of the strap and it will come out, and you can replace it with any other band of your choice. The watch comes in 2 sizes, 44mm and 40mm. I have the 44mm size with me, and I can find that it goes well on my medium size wrist. If you have a smaller wrist, then you can go for the 40mm dial size. However, if you have giant hands, then you can rather pick the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which comes with a 43mm and 47mm dial size. That's all for today's video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. If you are interested in buying the Galaxy Watch 6, check out the link in the description box.